Good morning class, welcome to our college Sharar Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra Inchaganji, Department of Information Technology. On today's we start 10th lecture on course that is subject name Applied Multimedia Techniques, that is AMT. Here vision mission statement of our department. These statements are all are already known, but once again repeated it. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. After that, department mission statements, in that 3 statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second statement, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third statement, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here syllabus of our course, in their total 5 units are there. Unit number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. Unit number 2, Image Editing and Compression. Unit number 3, Web Page Development using Multimedia. Unit number 4, Creating 2D Animation. Unit number 5, 3D Animation. We are already completed unit number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. Now we starting new unit, that is unit number 2, Image Editing and Compression, and this unit is also within on today's lecture, that is completed it. Okay, means that after this lecture unit number 2 will be completed. Course outcomes. What is meant by course outcomes? Course means your subject. After the completion of course, what you will be able. These are the 5 COs are there. First, preparing images using different color models. Second, edit images using graphical processing tools. Third, build website with multimedia contents. Fourth, develop 2D animation objects. Fifth, develop 3D animation objects. There are 5 COs are there. In that second CO, edit images using graphical processing tools. This CO will be achieved after the completion of unit number 2. Start that unit number 2, Image Editing and Compression. Unit outcomes. Unit outcomes means after the completion of unit, what you will be able. Outcomes of that unit. 2A, describe use of the given image or graphic manipulation tool. 2B, identify changes occurred in the given file size and image quality after format conversion. 2C, describe the given image editing operation on an image. 2D, explain features of the given image compression techniques. 2E, write major steps to develop the given GIF image or banner using GIF animator software. The GIF animator is a one type of software that are completed under the practical session in I think 6th, 7th in under the practical. Okay. Summary of previous lecture. In a previous lecture, which point had we learned effects and its types. in under font and its types. After that, text effects. So next on today's lecture, we continue the main point, effects and its types. In under 2 sub points are already completed in previous lecture, that is fonts and its types and text effects. Now third sub points is that image effects. That points will be learned on today's lecture. Image, in that using that words is indicated that we given the effect on that image. In a font we given the effect on font. After that we given the effect on text. Same like we given the effect on image. Okay, font means you outlines of that text we created. After that, actually that text are inputted on that outlines, and image effects is the one type of different than that 2 sub points. Means image effects means another view already that image is provided, and on that image you given the effects. Okay, which effects are there that are discussed on today's lecture. Image effects are used to make necessary changes in existing image. Okay, clear? Means image effects means what is the used in that necessary changes on that existing image. By giving specified effects are as follows. Which effects we have to done on that images? Okay, first, given an image, one can apply various effects ranging from simple effects like crop, resize, rotate, complement of advanced one like blend, broken mirror, etc. Means these are the effects. Okay, effects are available and that you will be given on that image which you want. Okay, we are already known what is meant by crop, resize. Okay, rotate, all are already known. Rotate means that moving that object or that image, and complement of advance means that blend, it is one type of effect. Broken mirror means this image is like as a broken mirror. How will be seen the broken of mirror? That's like same effect on given that image. These are the effects of that image. Another second effect is that another is the collage. In that, having appropriate collage makes maximum utilization of space as well as makes multimedia content more attractive. All are already known what collage. Okay, in your mobile collage softwares are there. Using through we create the collages images. Okay, this through what is the benefit it using through collage makes the maximum utilization of space is used as well as make a multimedia content for attractive. Means this using means what using through collage your maximum utilization of space is used. Okay, in a one page use maximum 6-7 images are that uses. Okay, inputted. Okay, so in that said as the utilization maximum space of utilization, and it is the we create the attractive means that in that use the text in a different format. That's like a attractive. Okay, see one image only for one image, and you see in a one image 6 images are present, means in one A4 page. Okay, in that A4 page one image is inserted, and another one is that A4 page, in that 6 images are inputted and in different styles. That is the attractive. So that collage is the one type of effect on that image. Clear? After that, here third image effect is that means the rainy season effects gives the impression of having running raindrops on image. Okay, means you give the image as a rainy season effects. By applying rainy season effects, the image gets converted into GIF format. Here means what? In one image is there, okay, yourself, and you give the rainy season effects. Means you like just like you imagine you give the effect as the rainy drops are on that effect on that image. That's like through you imagine that in a real life this images on that images is that rainy season is started. So this through when we given the rainy season effects, that image is converted into GIF format. Means what is meant by GIF format? GIF format means that runnable any image, that's said as the GIF format. When we given the effect as the rainy drops, okay, rainy drops means that continue dropping are there, given that effect on that image. That's like they see as a like a runnable image, okay, means rainy season image effect on that image. So that are automatically converted in a GIF format. Clear? It means in short, rainy season effect you also given that image. What is my rainy season means raining drops, running rainy drops, that effect you want to give the image, that you also possible it. Fourth one, that stylish images are okay. Fourth one is that stylish images are heart of any multimedia object. Means these are the main stylish these are the main effect of that image, stylish images. There are many graphical processing tools available which let multimedia content developer to develop stylish images. The content developer can choose from available templates and ensure that appropriate image can be generated. Okay, it is a stylish images. It is the heart of our multimedia objects. Means you not any given the stylish of that image, that it is not given any multimedia in any creativity on that object. So in that said as it is the heart of the multimedia object. Okay, and how will be that created? In a different graphical processing tools are available in the multimedia okay. So when developer develop that stylish images, then they are choose any available of that templates and ensure through means that's true that appropriate images are generated. Okay, means any available, many more than graphical processing tools are available for creating the stylish images. Okay, in that developer choose any templates, okay, or any use the software through that inner software. When choose any software that are stylish images, that inner software means that inner processing tools number of templates are available, and using through templates we generate the stylish images. Okay, this also in a practical sessions are completed. I think after the practical number starting from 9th or 10 through 13, 12, 13, 14 up to that, this between that all practicals are depends on that text effects, font effects and image effects. Okay, next one is that next image effect, which are the fifth is that water drop effect is one which gives an illusion of having water drops on the face of the image. Okay, means in that under the 3 said as the rainy season, means in same as your rainy drops, means your rainy drops as a imagine is that same is the water drops also, but in a face, in that third one is that rainy season effects as give as the on that image, and when we want to water drops effects on that any face, okay, that also it is possible in that. How will be possible? Using through that some softwares are there, using their software we given that water drops effect. Okay, means in that software we choose the image, you choose the first face image. Okay, on that their options are available, many effects are there. On that effects we choose the water drop effects, means you just like see as on that face that water drops effects are applying. That's like clear that. Okay, Next one is that sixth image effects is that the flaming ball effect will make a circular shape for object and gives an impression for surrounding of flames at a specific duration. Means it is one type of a effect. Flaming ball effect is one type of effect. That how will be that effect are make using that circular shapes that on that object, the circular shapes through that flaming ball effect as a use, and this through as impression as that surrounding of that flame, that object we given that effect in a specific duration. What will be set as the duration, that duration through that effect will be applied on that image. Okay, these are the image effects are available in your when we creating the object in a multimedia. Apart from this effects, when in a lecture we discuss these are the image effects, but it's apart from this many more image effects are available. You any effects are choose it, select it and applying in an object when we creating that in a multimedia. Okay, and some effects we discuss in our today's lecture which are used in your practical session. Okay, means in a practical session in your syllabus which effects are given, that effects are added in your lecture. Okay, but in that apart from this effects more effects are available. Okay, but this is only for these effects are used in your syllabus, so I am only for these points or these effects are taken in that theory lecture point. Clear that? Okay, once again that repeated it. Which effects given an image one can applying various effects ranging from simple effects like crop, resize, rotate, complement of advanced one like blend, broken mirror, etc. Second one is that another as a collage, in that having appropriate collage makes maximum utilization of space as well as makes multimedia content more attractive. The third one is that the rainy season effects gives impression of having running rainy drops on image by applying rainy season effects as image gets converted into GIF format. Stylish images are the heart of any multimedia object. There are many graphical processing tools available which let multimedia content developer to develop stylish images. The content developer can choose from available templates and ensure that appropriate images can be generated. Water drops effects is one which gives an illusion of having water drops on the face of image. The flaming ball effect will make a circular shape for object and gives an impression for surrounding of flames at specific duration. In that which effects? Crop, resize, rotate, broken mirror, blend, after collage, after that rainy season effects, stylish images, after that water drop effects and flaming ball effects. These are the effects of that images. Okay. Summary on that today's lecture. In that lecture which points are discussed? The main point is effects and its types. In under sub points is image effect. Okay. Homework on that today's lecture: write in your notebook today's lectures points daily. This which daily means on when we conduct that lecture, that day you completed your homework. Okay, otherwise at the end of it is a not difficulty it is a difficulty for your complete for your homework. So that time you reduce your term works marks. When you reach in a college, that time all are checking your assignment, your practical homework, your lecture homework, your text homework, that all points are checked, and as depends through giving your marks or assessment your term works marks. So not ignore these online lectures and practicals, assignments, all in each subject. Okay, so that daily you work. Okay. Not possible to reach the college because the situation of COVID-19. So you stay home and stay safe, and also you completed your academic year also. Okay, in this lecture any doubts is arise, then contact with me. Okay, here stop on today's lecture. Thank you.